Alright people, today you will learn about the most valuable resources for coding specifically in Python and for computer science. So let's get into this. I'm going to start off with one of the most popular websites, Codecademy. Before I start, I'm going to link all of these resources in the description, so if you just want, you can just click on them. I'm going to give it a C tier because it is super overrated. Everyone says it's an amazing platform to learn, and it is true if you have money, because the reality is that people don't tell you. You can't actually use Codecademy to learn the most up-to-date version of Python 3. You can only learn Python 2. As you can see here, Python 3 is on a plan, so it's not actually a good website. There's no need to spend money on it, so that will go on a C tier. Next we have the boring stuff with Python. I'm gonna link this in the description. As I said earlier, it's an extremely good book. You can buy it on Amazon, but I have the PDF. I don't know if it's legal or not. Oh well. Yeah, it's S tier because it teaches you from beginning to intermediate, and it's the same with Learn Python the Hard Way. And I recommend you read the boring stuff with Python and then learn Python the hard way with that book, as I think it's the most efficient way. CS50 is definitely an amazing course for computer science. If you're a computer science student in A-levels or university, you should definitely take it, as it is for free. Just search up CS50. I might put it in the description as well. It teaches about Python, C, I think, or C++, one of those, and they teach you the basics about algorithms. It's very good. FreeCodeCamp, I'm still gonna say it's a B, because when you go on the website, the content for specifically Python, it's not structured. It just gives you a bunch of random projects you can do, but it doesn't teach you from start to finish. Yeah, so if you search up Python, first result is a how to build a large language model from scratch, and I don't think any beginner wants to do that. Maybe Pong would be nice, but still, at the end of the day, you're just copying code from here. So it's a B, still above Codecademy though. Next, we have this YouTuber called TechWithTim, and I'd recommend his YouTube channel because he makes extremely educational videos about Python, and I've been watching him for a year or two now, and he explains some difficult concepts really well. Lastly, we have Udemy, which is an A tier. Obviously not the whole Udemy platform is an A tier, it's just one or two courses that I'm gonna recommend. It's from Angela Yu. I'm not affiliated or anything, it's just I recommend it. The first few weeks are brilliant, and then it gets extremely difficult for the average person. And by the way, Udemy has this thing where it always price drops you, but it's not true. If you wait too long and the price goes back up to £60, you just have to clear your cookies and maybe make a new account. That's what I did. If you make a new account, the price drops back down to £10. So that's a little trick for you guys. So it says here you will master the Python language. It's not true. You will not do that. You will not master it in 100 days. It will take a few years. So you can build graphical user interfaces and desktop apps with this. You'll learn lots of automation, which is why I got it. Alright guys, so that's the tier list. What I recommend is start with S tier, join Angela Yu's course if you're still struggling, and lastly do FreeCodeCamp if you have quite a lot of money. I think it's like £300 for a Codecademy membership. You can definitely get it, because it is very good, but ain't nobody got £300, man, what the hell. Alright, so that's the end of the video. If you found this tier list helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and peace.